Hello everyone, I'm Mushtakhusen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet. So first of all, log on to meet.google.com. So once you log on to meet.google.com, you can see these couple of options over here. So you can directly start a meeting, or if you are going to join any meeting, so you can enter the meeting code here and you can join the meeting directly. Now, if you want to schedule a video meeting on Google Meet, then you can go for this option. Now, as a faculty member or a teacher or a trainer, I would suggest you to go to this option because sometimes or most of the times we do share some documents with our students or the participants. So whenever you are going to share any document in the form of Word or Excel or PDF or any JPG file or video file, so you need to add the attachments, you need to add the files. So in order to do that, we can schedule a meeting on Google Meet using this option. So here I click on to schedule a video meeting from Google Calendar. Now this will take me to the Google Calendar page. So here we are. So this is our Google Calendar. Now it will ask you to add the title of your meeting. So for example, I'm going to type uh, weekly team meeting. So you can enter this. Now here you have this choice of entering the date, then time zone. You can select your time zone too. Then if you want to repeat, even you can repeat all day. Then you can add guests too. So if you are ready with your guest, now you can add any guest. So for example, I'm going to add one guest over here. Then after that what you can do is you can click on to add attachment. So here is the option where you can add attachments. Then you can add the files so that you can share these files with your participants when you hold a meeting on Google Meet. So here I'm going to attach couple of files. So I'm going to attach one Word file, then one PDF file, then one PNG file. So here I select them. Now you can see I have attached couple of files over here. Now once this is done, now you can click on to save. uh, right now I have added one guest, so maybe I can make some changes in terms of adding guest or deleting guest, or maybe I can make some changes in terms of adding files or the attachments. So I'm not going to send the invite immediately, so I just click on to don't send. Now this is how I can create this meeting on Google Meet. So here you can see, so we have already created over here. Now once you click on to this, now it will take you to the meeting directly. So you can just click on to join with Google Meet. So here we are. Now after this, you can click on to join now. So this is the Google Meet. Now here I'm going to show you uh, basic and important features in Google Meet. So first one is you can turn off your microphone, you can turn off your say camera, so if you do not need it. And this is the option where you can leave the call or close the meeting. Now if you turn on captions, then you can see real-time captions on your screen somewhere here. Then these two options where you can see the participants. So here there will be a list of participants. So right now I am the only one. Then if you want to chat with your participants, you can just click on to chat, and you can interact with them. So this is how you can chat with them. After that, now in most of the virtual meetings we have seen the option called screen share. Now in place of screen share they have mentioned present now in Google Meet. So you can just click on to present now. Now what you can present it, you can present your entire screen or a window which you are using right now, or a Chrome tab which I am using currently. So if you are going to make any presentation using your PPT or any PDF or any video file which is on your desktop, then maybe you can click onto your entire screen. So this is how, I mean, it depends on what kind of content you are going to share with your participants. So accordingly you can select this option. Then after that what you can see is more options. Now in more options we have this choice of change the layout. So what kind of layouts we have? Now this is sidebar layout. Now this is auto one. This is sidebar layout where you can see the participants this side, and you can share the screen or you can present over here. Now in spotlight only presenter can be seen. Now in tiled layout we can go for, I mean, we can see 16 participants of the meeting. So this is how we can select the layout or we can change the layout. Then we have got full screen mode. So right now we are not in full screen mode. So if you want you can go to a full screen mode. Then you can turn on captions, which we discussed some time back. Then in setting what we have is we have setting like general setting, then audio setting and video setting. So if you want to make some changes in audio, video and general setting, you can do that. So for example, if you want to, right now the standard definition is 360 pixel. So if you want say high definition quality or HD quality, then you can go for 720 pixel option, and once you select you can click on to done. After this we have got report a problem. So if you face any problem, so maybe you can report to Google Meet. Then if you again come across any abuse, then you can report that. Then if you need any help in terms of Google Meet, you can click on to help. So this is what you can do. Now before we schedule this Google Meet, I have shown you one option where we can schedule a meeting using Google Calendar. Now this is where we can add the file. So you can see, so if you just click on to details, you can find the details of the meeting. So here, I mean, these are the details of the meeting. Now this is joining information. So I mean, this is the link where you can join the information. So for example, if you want to copy this joining information and send the invite to number of participants, so you can do that. Now these are the files which I have attached before I schedule a meeting. So here you can see like move your classroom online. So this is how you can select any file and you can attach. Now these files can be directly shared with your participants. But if you go for a start a meeting directly, so maybe you cannot avail this option. But if you schedule a meeting using Google Calendar, then you can add all these attachments and you can share with the participants. You can open them over here. So this is what you can do. So yeah, so with this I think I have completed all the basic and important features in Google Meet. Thank you for watching.